तो कैसे हो आप सब। वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। हाय एवरीवन, हेलो हेलो। सो लेट मी चेक वंस। ओके, डन। This control C and let me paste it out here. So let's start with the live stream. So we will be doing continuation of the Python assignment, and we will be taking care of those queries and all. Let me check once. I hope ये वीडियो को क्या हो गया। ओके, अब ठीक है। So let's check this out. Let's see what we have. Hey, hi Jitendra, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Let me just ठीक है। Let's start with the Python assignment. So assignment related to Python, and we will be taking care of the data cleaning work, plus doubts will be taken care of related to SQL, related to Python, related to Power BI, related to Excel. ठीक है, that's it. Assignment, this thing, right? So let's start with this. एक मिनट, इसको मैं एक बार पिन मैसेज एक मिनट स्पेक्ट्स। Today there was lot of work in the screen, so that's why just wearing the okay. So should we start with the live stream, or any doubts anybody have? Before that we can cover it up. Or should we start with this? So we have done till I think department tak we have done the work, right? Department clean. After that, let me see what we have. We have join date. ठीक है. So in this, if you check out related to join date, I will show you how easy it is to clean the date column. ठीक है. Rather than if you compare it with the SQL part, you will be able to understand it is very much easier in comparison to SQL part if you are cleaning the date column. ठीक है. So let us create a new column here. ठीक है. And this is where we will be working on this. So join date, sorry. ठीक है. अब देखो, अब यहाँ पर अपने पास क्या क्या है, कॉलम वही डेट का कॉलम है, और इट इज़ obviously having all those what we say in this, not everything is in correct format. ठीक है. Nothing is in correct format, but we will be taking care of this with just changing the data type, and with just one line we will be taking care of this full column without any issue. So first thing first, let us see what issues do we have here in this part. If you check out here, let me write all the issues first. So first thing is the separator. What can I see? The separators, right? Separators मतलब slash, dash, underscore, dot, all these things. Second, the date format. The date format is not same in all the cases. Not same in all the cases. ठीक है. थर्ड चीज़ क्या है? Data type we will change. Obviously we have to change, otherwise it won't be possible to take care of this date column in 3 to 4 lines. ठीक है. Data type will be changed, and anything else to be taken care of. Yeah, spaces, obviously spaces मतलब starting and ending spaces. ठीक है. Right, that's it. So let's start with the spaces. At first place we will say dot string dot strip, and again I forgot to write the column name. So first thing first, we have removed all those unwanted spaces. ठीक है. Second thing what we will do is like we will change this separators only with a common separator. ठीक है. If you check out the default one, you go to any of the platform, you go to SQL platform, you go to Python platform or Python workbench, you will see it have a common separator of dash. ठीक. That's it. So we will take care of it. And how we will take care of, we will obviously use regex replace. ठीक है. regex replace. ठीक. In this we will say whatever data, whatever separator we have, each and everything will be cleared out. This thing as well. And what we have, dot, we have dot also, right? Sorry, dot only we have. And what we have in this, comma is there, underscore is there. Anything else do we need? Dash भी add कर देते हैं to be on the safe side. Then we will be adding dash. Then we will be writing regex equal to true. Right now you see all the separators are changed to a common separator that is related to a dash. That's it. ठीक है, simple, easy, and till date we are done with 70% of the work, 60-70% of the work. ठीक है, right now the main thing is data type change. ठीक, data type change. In this data type change we will be taking care of lots of scenarios. ठीक है, what are the lots of scenarios? First thing first, if you check out the format like this, wait, suppose this is the scenario. I am going with same example. Suppose this is the scenario. ठीक है, in this and in this kind of scenario, right, we can say like there might be some confusion. Like first it can be month, it can be date, or it can be day, it can be month, anything. So here we can see there are mixed format, right? So when you use to date time format, you will see some parameters. ठीक है, what parameters you will be taking care of? You will be taking care of format parameters. Like if you check out here, wait, should we make no, in the same column only we will take care of. ठीक है, date clean. If I write here pd dot to date time, you will see there is a format parameter. ठीक है, so what is the format? Here in this we have to write mixed format. ठीक है, why mixed? You will see to infer the format to each element individually. Risky है, no doubt. You should probably use it along with day first. We will go with day first also. ठीक, so format we will be using a parameter, and in this we will be writing mixed. So in the format part, if you check out the parameters here, it is writing कि day first भी use करो, use day first. Day first is also a parameter, right? I will show you here what it is all about. See day first का कहाँ पे है? Okay, day first, right? What is day first? Day first मतलब, suppose in this scenario I am saying for easy understanding, is like in this two situations, it can be month and day, it can be what, month and day, or the second scenario will be it can be day and month. ठीक है, so somewhere it can be date, somewhere it can be month, right? So in this we have to tell Python like the format is mixed. ठीक है, and somewhere the day is on the first place. ठीक है, somewhere the day is on the first place. We have to tell this out. So day first we have to write true. ठीक, ट्रू फॉल्स मतलब yes and no. yes no का दूसरा मीनिंग होता है ट्रू एंड फॉल्स इन पाइथन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, when there would be an error, we will be asking for what, null values, right? तो क्या देना पड़ेगा here? errors equal to coerce. ठीक है, that's it. So let's check this out. So यहाँ पर what we need to write, df, what is the column name? Column name is same, date clean. ठीक है, day first equal to true as it is told, format equal to mixed, right? But how will we write mixed? We have to write mixed in this way, मतलब string comma देना पड़ेगा, like स्ट्रिंग कॉमास देना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू राइट स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट टू बी ऑनेस्ट. स्ट्रिंग कॉमा एरर्स इक्वल टू कोअर्स. कोअर्स का मतलब क्या है? अगर आप सीक्वल भी यूज़ कियोगे वहाँ पे भी कोअर्स यूज़ होता है. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जहाँ पर भी एरर दिखेगा इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली प्लेस नल वैल्यू देयर. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, नल वैल्यू, दैट्स द ओनली थिंग. ठीक, एग्जीक्यूटेड. राइट नाउ इफ यू चेक दिस आउट, सी इंडेक्स नंबर 4 or if you check out index number 9, each and everything is kept in a proper format, right? That is the scenario. ठीक है. So till here anybody have any doubts till here? They can ask your doubts in the stream. Anybody have any doubts till here? Please do ask your doubts in the stream. Any doubts anybody have related to this thing? Related to the date का जो लॉजिक है, जब डेटा टाइप का लॉजिक चेंज एंड ऑल. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स प्लीज डू आस्क योर डाउट्स हियर. So, okay. Any doubts anybody have till here? Or should we move with the next topic? Any doubts? Okay, no doubts what I believe. So let's move to the next column here. Next column is related to the phone number. ठीक है, let's write the column name. ठीक है, let's write the column name phone. Jitendra, no doubt. Okay, we have moved to the next part. ठीक, so phone number will be taken care of. We will write a column name, a new column name to be honest, and we will say चलो. अब यहाँ पर what we need to do, first let's check that out in the whiteboard. This is the thing. What we have here, simple, it is an object data type, so data type change would be here, data type change. Second thing, symbol issues should be taken care of. Symbol issue matlab this bracket, dash, dot, like this, null value to be taken care of, and that's it. ठीक है, first let's remove all these things and then see what we get in the output. So first thing first, we will do a space cleaning. And I forgot to write one thing. Wait, let us check this out, then we will go with the part, data type part. I have written already. I will write phone, then I will first remove those spaces, then I will say null if. ठीक है, I will say, before writing null if, it is better to just use and replace, regex replace. If it is working, it is okay. If not, we will be using null if after that. So dot str dot we have replace. In this we will be saying slash d. I am using capital D. ठीक है, capital D is if the capital D means what, which are not digits, simple meaning which are not digits. ठीक है, we will say regex equal to true. This is what we have got till here, right? This is the easiest thing we can do. But in some cases, if your client says ki, or stakeholder anybody says कि you need to add the country code here, suppose, what you will be doing easily, you can do this thing like df phone clean equal to plus 91. Always make sure that this column is in string format, string data type, sorry, otherwise it won't work, right? I am giving a dash as well, plus df phone clean. Why I am saying this, because see, I have kept this plus 91 dash inside the string commas, that's why. Right now you see plus 91 is added here. ठीक, simple. So till here, anybody have any doubts for this? This one, this is the easy one, but still if you have doubts, I will be happy to help you out for it. So if you have any doubts in this, please do ask your doubts in the stream. Any doubts anybody have? Please ask your doubts in this. Any doubts anybody have till here? Please do ask your doubts. I don't think a lot of people will be having doubt in this, but still, like, I will be moving forward. In case if you have any doubts, you can ask in the between as well. So we have two column left, that is performance score and previous column. Let's write this out. Performance score, and let's see, this is the data. Sorry. So what we have here in the performance score, if you check this out, everything is okay and good to go. ठीक है, proper. But if you check this data, right, there is some issue. If you check out and if you find out the, what we say, the structure of it, each and everything is inside 10. I mean less than equal to 10, right? So what we will be doing is like, we will be taking care of any of the data if it is greater than 10, not equal to, but only greater than 10. ठीक है, that's it. And here we will be using mask, and we will be saying to Python like, if any of the data inside this column is greater than 10, give the null value. What is the use of mask? in mask function, the thing is, if you give any what we say, any requirement, we have to give a requirement first. Whatever requirement you will give, if that requirement is true, then Python automatically give null value. That is the benefit of using mask. So what we will say, if anything is greater than 10, so in this will come as true, so we will get null value here, right? That's it. So should we check this out, right? Greater or less than 10. No, it should be, wait, there is some issue. I need to take care of null as well. So this is also the scenario, right? So let's use this thing in a practical part. Just a minute. Let me create a column, performance score clean. Let me see how it take care of the null values. That's why I'm just taking care of it. Performance score. Okay. First I will, acha, it is in float, right? The data type is in float, so no worries about it. I will say dot mask. Suppose I say this thing df. If the performance score is what if I say greater than 0, the performance score is greater than 0 or the same. Performance score is less than 10, to give me the output. Let me just see how it react to null values. That is what I want to see. That's why I'm just doing a cross check. Okay, what happens here? Okay, again. So that is the issue. I would say less than 0 or greater than 10. Okay, then it's okay. So it's working. This is what I thought. Chalo, theek hai. So we have got the output for this. If anybody have any doubts related to the mask part, you can ask your doubts here. And although we have already given the null values as null value, that is what I want to see here. That's why I just check this thing. We can use statistics here also, right? We will be filling the null values but with the median part. I mean to say, if I ask you what is the median of this, ps clean dot median, ps clean dot median, let's see what do we get. .5 is the median. So what we will be doing right now, we will be filling up the null values. So in this ps clean, we will be filling up the null values, fill NA with this thing, and we will be implementing it with this. Right? So see, whatever null values we have, we got the output here. Okay? Simple. So if you have any doubts, please ask your doubts in the stream. If you have any doubts, please do ask your doubts in the stream. Any doubts related to this? Anybody have any doubts? Any doubts anybody have? Any doubts for this? Please do ask your doubts in the stream. Any doubts for this? Okay, now let's move to the next part of the query, that is for previous company. Okay, so we have previous company data here. So in this scenario we can see the data type is object, so obviously space issue can be there, so space issue will be taken care of. Second thing, if you see it is mixture of, it is what, mixture of text plus number, right? Mixture of text plus number. ठीक है, this is the thing. So text plus number का मतलब either it will be the correct company name or either it can be wrong. So if you check this out, 24 into 7 ai.com, this is a real company that I have seen in when I was in Bangalore. That time I have seen this company name. But what about the others? Others, it is only having text like Tata, Reliance, Google, Nokia. ठीक? We will check this scenario as well. How can we use dictionary to replace only specific data? ठीक है? Third thing is the format. Format मतलब कि it is mixture of upper case plus lower case format. So both of the format will be taken care of with the help of title. Right. So lots of things are there to be taken care of. So let's see in the Python workbench. So df previous wait, let me write pc clean. And in this we can say df previous df previous company, we will first remove the, oh sorry, I have not kept this. We have first removed the additional spaces, right? We have removed the additional spaces, right? Second thing what we will be doing, we will be taking care of the numbers that are available in the text, ठीक है, or available in the data, sorry. So for that we will be using dot str dot replace. In this we will be saying whatever data is not from A to Z or from A to Z, capital A to Z, keep this as an empty string. regex equal to true, ठीक है, done. Right now you see all the numbers are removed, ठीक है, this one, even though this is removed, but this will be taken care of using dictionary. We will see that after that we will be using dot string dot title, ठीक है. Right now each and everything is in proper format, right? So let us create a variable correction. In this what we will be doing, we will be taking care of the data related to the company name. Suppose I want like this, ठीक है, then I will say suppose I want like this, take. Now Google तो ठीक है, चलो no worries. What we have next, हाँ this one xai com, ठीक. We will change this as 24x7ai.com, ठीक. Then what we have kp jp morgan भी ठीक कर देते हैं. Let's keep it as it is. Then anything else to be changed, KPMG है और ताज होटल्स, ओके. तो इट्स k.p.m.g. ताज होटल्स विल बी, ठीक है. Anything else? No. So we will be using replace again for the same column, PC clean. So we will be using df PC clean dot replace, and inside the replace we will write correction, ठीक है. Right now you see all the corrections that we have made here are done in a proper way, right? So till here anybody have any doubts, you can ask your doubts in the stream. Anybody have any doubts related to this thing, please do ask your doubts in the stream. Anybody have any doubts? Because after this we will be going for the basics of Python, like string, integer, list, dictionary. That is also required. That's why. Any doubts? Please do ask your doubts in the stream. Anybody have any doubts for this question or for SQL, for Python, for Excel, for Power BI? Please do ask your doubts. Any doubts anybody have? Any doubts? Any doubts for this? Or okay, let's move to the next part of the assignment, where we will be taking care of the basics thing. ठीक है, बेसिक्स मतलब कि जैसे आई वुड से कि लिस्ट, एरे, 1D एरे, 2D एरे, 3 dimension एरे, all those things, right? So let's start with this. Okay. So first we will be creating a list, right? First we will be creating a list and we will be seeing what is a list, right? So let me write it out. Assignment number 2, for Python, and it will be all the basics thing. Okay. So first thing is what? Related to list. What is a list? List means inside a single variable, whatever variable name you will give. Like in the previous example we have given this variable, ठीक है? Anyhow it's a dictionary, but this is what variable we say, ठीक है? So inside a variable, if you give any of the data in box bracket, is called a list. That's it, ठीक है? Is called a list. So inside the list, what you can do? You can use indexing, right? We will see each and everything. We can add any data in near future, ठीक है? We can also change the position of the data. We can also remove an data, like we are adding, I mean to say, in list, what things you can do. You can add a data. Second thing what you can do, you can remove a data. Third thing, you can reshuffle the place of the data inside a list. ठीक है, easy, right? And yeah, that's it. So, and also one more thing, you can check the data inside a list. Like suppose the list is having like this: A, B, C, D, ठीक, and Z. In this, if you want to check inside the list, do we have an alphabet E, you can check that as well. You will get in true and false output, you will get in a boolean output, ठीक. That is the scenario. So let's create a list first and let's see what we have in this, ठीक. Suppose what we will create, let's create a subscriber list. Already I have done this, but anyways, suppose I am writing 100, sorry, 1000, 2000, 2500, or let's write 1500, 3000, 4000, ठीक है. That's it. So if I write subscriber list like this, I will get this data, ठीक है. If you see the data, you will see it is having box bracket in this output, ठीक है. And if you want to see the type of a list, how can you see this? Just print type. Suppose in an interview point of view, they will ask you कि just to check that this variable is a list or not. How you will check it? Just write print type, and inside the type parenthesis you have to write the variable name, and you will get the output, ठीक है. That's it. So as if I told you, you can add something in the list, ठीक है. Suppose if you want to add a number, right? Or yeah, let's add a number, better to say that. How you will add it? You can use append to take care of it. Append मतलब sublist dot append, ठीक है. After this I will say to add 5000. Sub list. Right now you see 5000 is been added here, ठीक है. Simple. Append मतलब एक add करना, that's it. Whatever the data we have, suppose A, B, C, D, if you want to add something here, is called append, ठीक है. Same thing we have in function is dot append, and inside this we have to write the data, ठीक है. That's it, simple, right? Suppose you want to add something, okay, before adding let us learn about indexing. What is an index, ठीक. In Python, index always by default start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose you have a list like this: A, B, C, Z, X, Y. So it will be like this. ठीक है. It will be like this. मतलब कि if you want to find out like what is on the third position in the list, suppose, so what you will do, in human being we count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. but in Python way we count in this format. Suppose you want to find out what is on the third place in the list, you don't know it. What you will say? Directly you will write whatever number you have, number minus 1. By default it will give you the index of this particular list. I mean for third it will be second in Python point of view. And how to represent an index? Simple, you have to write the variable name. Inside this you have to write 2. So what you will get in the output? You will get C in the output. Okay. Like this. Suppose I want to find out this 1500. 1500 is in third place, right? But in Python point of view it is on second. See, I have received 1500 here. Okay. Suppose I want to see what is the, I mean how many data are there in this list. Okay. For this we need to find the length. When you write length of this thing, you will get the output 6. See 1 2 3 4 5 6. And if you want to find the third part here, it was easy, like 3 minus 1, whatever number you will get, just write here, you will get the output. That is in the third place inside the list. Okay, simple. This is how you get the length of the list. Length of the list मतलब कितने डेटा है अपने इस लिस्ट में, that is the length. That's it. ठीक, simple. So any doubts anybody have? Okay, so in this indexing let us take care of, suppose I want to find the data from 1 to 4. I mean I just need this data B C Z X. So what we will be doing here, right? You will be writing 1 till 5 like this in the slicing part. Lekin what will be the actual scenario, what is going on in the backend? In the slicing part you have to write the starting number, the starting index, ठीक, and the ending index. Suppose I want till x, ठीक है, इसका इंडेक्स क्या है 4. So the ending should always be, ending index should be written like this, ending index plus 1. ठीक है, so it is like 4, तो 4 plus 1 क्या होगा 5 and starting would be 1. तो आउटपुट क्या देगा मालूम आपको? 1 2 3 4, बस ये 4 तक का इंडेक्स देगा. 5 का इंडेक्स आउटपुट में शोकेस नहीं करता है, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, सपोज आई वॉन्ट टू गेट 2000 1500 and 3000. what you I will write सब लिस्ट 2000 क्या है सेकेंड प्लेस में, तो सेकेंड माइनस 1 होगा 1. 3000 तक, 3000 क्या है फोर्थ प्लेस में, सो 4 plus 1 I have to write, sorry first I have to find out the index. फोर्थ नंबर पे है, इंडेक्स मतलब क्या है थर्ड नंबर, ठीक है. सो आई कैन नॉट राइट हियर 3. इफ आई राइट 3 I will get this one. If I show you, sorry, 1500, I have to write the index number of this plus 1. Index number of this is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And see how I get the output. ठीक है, simple, right? So any doubts still here? Any doubts still here? अब बहुत लोग को डाउट होगा कि लाइक यहाँ तो अपने को दिख रहा है बिकॉज यहाँ पे 6 डेटा है, मतलब इंक्लूडिंग दिस. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द इंडेक्स ऑफ अ डेटा inside the list, simple you will write like the sub list. ठीक है, सब लिस्ट ऐसे देना है जो भी वेरिएबल है. यू हैव टू राइट इंडेक्स, और जो भी डेटा है, सपोज आपको 3000 का इंडेक्स आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, सो यू विल राइट 3000 एंड यू विल गेट द आउटपुट. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, सिंपल, राइट. सो हाय अनिल, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. Hi Anil, welcome to live stream. हेलो ब्रो, थोड़ा इफ़ का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. ठीक है, समझा दूंगा इफ़ रिलेटेड. हाय प्रतीक, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. हाय प्रतीक, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो एक बार मैं प्रतीक का डाउट क्लियर कर देता हूँ, देन वी विल डू द प्रैक्टिकल पार्ट फॉर दिस. ठीक है, मैं एक बार जस्ट लेट मी ओपन दिस थिंग रिलेटेड टू इफ़. ठीक है, सो एक बार मैं प्रतीक का क्लियर कर देता हूँ. हाय ब्रो, आई हैव स्टार्टेड माई करियर इन DA. आई नो एक्सेल करेंटली इन SQL. I have knowledge of NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Since I am a fresher, what I do? See, bhai, first thing first, we have to take care of the knowledge required related to the data domain. I mean, data analyst. Related to Excel, how much knowledge is required? Basics plus intermediate, right? This is I am saying in my 5 year of work ex in corporate and handling 8 clients total. I mean, right now I am working as a freelance gig. Earlier I was working in corporate sector. ठीक है, so whatever things or whatever tools, knowledge I have faced or I had during my work culture, that is what I am talking here. For Excel, you need basics and intermediate, no need for advanced, right? Now comes the main thing related to SQL. For SQL, go to basic, intermediate and advanced level, right? Because SQL is non-negotiable, right? We cannot escape SQL if we want to go to any of the data domain like data analyst, data science, data engineering, any of the data domain. ठीक है, so SQL full knowledge is required. ठीक, now let's come to the Python. In Python, same as SQL, it is non-negotiable. We need to take care of same basic, intermediate and advanced level. ठीक है, so for Python part, let me do some elaboration here. For Python part, you need to only take care of the topics that is required in data domain point of view, that is libraries. ठीक है, and inside libraries what we need to take care of, pandas, very important. Like you have told, you have learned this thing, important because it is helpful for filtering out the data, doing data modification, manipulation. NumPy, mostly all the mathematical things that you will be taking care of, it will be done with the help of NumPy. Matplotlib required, and seaborn knowledge, not much, but yes, seaborn knowledge is required. ठीक है, so just focus on the libraries and the functions inside the libraries, that's it. ठीक, that is what we need to take care of. Fourth thing is related to BI tool. Related to BI tool, you can go with any one, right? Either Power BI, either Tableau, sorry, it's any one, right? No need to learn both, any one you can take care of it. Either if you are comfortable with Power BI, it is good to go. If you are comfortable with Tableau, good to go. How much knowledge is required? Basics plus intermediate, right? That's it. Basic plus intermediate knowledge is required. So these two things are non-negotiable. Excel you have done in a good base. I mean, related to the advanced Excel you have done it. No worries about it. Good to go. For SQL and Python, there is no, I mean, no room to escape from this two tool. You have to take care of the basic, intermediate and advanced level, like you have done for SQL, I mean Excel. You have went till advanced, right? But for SQL and Python, पूरा advanced तक you have to take care of. BI tool, same basic and intermediate. And related to the libraries, just take care of the Seaborn as well. ठीक. And that's all about the roadmap for data domain, I mean for data analyst. That's it. ठीक है. And now let's move to Anil's का doubt. So related to the if part, let me talk about it. Product ID and sales. ठीक है. Suppose I write P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर what we have right here right now, we have the data related to product. Data मतलब full data नहीं है. We need to find out some data. ठीक. यहाँ मैं डेटा दे देता हूँ. देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट द पैरामीटर्स कि क्या पैरामीटर का ज़रूरत है इसमें. सपोज मैं दे देता हूँ 10, 12, 15, 40, 5. ठीक है. दैट्स इट. ये अपना डेटा है टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अब इस डेटा के अंदर अपने को इफ़ यूज़ करना है एक्सेल में. तो इफ़ यूज़ करने से पहले हम लोग देखते हैं कि इसमें क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स का रिक्वायरमेंट है, राइट? क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स रिक्वायरमेंट है इसमें. ठीक है. फर्स्ट थिंग, यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द कंडीशन, राइट? कंडीशन पैरामीटर. उसके बाद यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द ट्रू एंड फॉल्स वैल्यू. ठीक है. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. अब ट्रू एंड फॉल्स क्या होता है? अब जो हमने कंडीशन दिया यहाँ पे, या कंडीशन में दो आउटपुट मिलेगा हम लोग को. या तो कंडीशन मैच करेगा या तो कंडीशन मैच नहीं करेगा, राइट? ठीक है. या तो कंडीशन मैच करेगा या तो कंडीशन मैच नहीं करेगा. तो अगर कंडीशन मैच करता है तो जो भी वैल्यू आप यहाँ लिखोगे वो शोकेस होगा. अगर कंडीशन मैच नहीं करता है तो जो वैल्यू आप यहाँ लिखोगे वो शोकेस करेगा. ठीक है. अब कंडीशन क्या होता है वो हम लोग समझते हैं. सपोज मैंने यहाँ डेटा दिया हुआ है. ठीक. अब यहाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर यहाँ सेल्स डेटा है, यहाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर सेल्स का वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 11 है तो मुझे चाहिए गुड. दैट्स इट. मैंने इतना लिख दिया. ठीक है. अब ये कंडीशन है, राइट? ये क्या है? कंडीशन ग्रेटर देन 11. अब यहाँ एक्सेल क्या करेगा? हर रो में जाएगा और कंडीशन चेक करेगा कि ये वाला कंडीशन मैच कर रहा है कि नहीं. तो जाएगा देखेगा कि जो सेल्स का डेटा है क्या ये ग्रेटर देन 11 है? नहीं, नॉट. ठीक है. यहाँ पे वो क्रॉस डाल देगा. अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट में जाएगा, वो देखेगा कि क्या ये डेटा मैच कर रहा है क्या कंडीशन के साथ. तो 15 ग्रेटर देन 11. एक्सेल बोलेगा यस इट इज़ ट्रू. अब यहाँ पे वो क्या दे देगा? गुड. ठीक है. तो जहाँ पर भी कंडीशन मैच करता है, ठीक है, जहाँ पर भी कंडीशन मैच करता है वहाँ पे ट्रू का वैल्यू, वहाँ पे जहाँ मैंने ट्रू दिया वो वैल्यू शोकेस करेगा, जहाँ कंडीशन मैच नहीं करता वहाँ पे फॉल्स वैल्यू मैच करेगा। ठीक, सिंपल, राइट। अब इसको कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग, इक्वल टू इफ कंडीशन, ठीक है, कंडीशन, ठीक, देन यहाँ पे हमें एक वैल्यू देना पड़ेगा, वैल्यू इफ कंडीशन इज ट्रू, then value if condition is false, that's it। ठीक है, इस तरीके से अपने को 3 पैरामीटर्स देने पड़ेंगे। ठीक है, that's it। तो टिल हियर अनिल, कुछ डाउट्स? अगर डाउट्स है तो पूछ सकते हो। अब मैं यहाँ पे वो कंडीशन दे रहा हूँ तो मैं रिमार्क में दे देता हूँ। ठीक है, मैं एक डेटा यहाँ बनाता हूँ रिमार्क करके, राइट। मैं यहाँ देता हूँ इफ दिस ग्रेटर देन, मैं बोलूँगा 11, देन मैं यहाँ लिख दूँगा गुड, नहीं तो मैं दे दूँगा बैड। ठीक है, लाइक दिस। 11 नहीं देता हूँ, यहाँ 16 दे देता हूँ। ठीक है, दैट्स इट। सॉरी गुड एंड बैड। ठीक है, इस तरीके से। अब देखो यहाँ पे जितने भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स आप देख रहे हो, राइट, वो इस रिक्वायरमेंट से मैच कर रहे हैं क्या? ग्रेटर देन 16, सेल्स ग्रेटर देन 16। अगर आप देखोगे तो एक ही कंडीशन मैच कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, राइट, जो कि है ऑब्वियसली एक्सेल देखता है कि ये कंडीशन हर रो में मैच कर रहा है कि नहीं, और जहाँ मैच कर रहा है वहाँ पे वो ट्रू वाला वैल्यू देगा। बट ट्रू वैल्यू में क्या है? गुड, तो इसलिए यहाँ मैच कर रहा है तो गुड मिल गया, और जहाँ मैच नहीं कर रहा है वहाँ पे बैड। दैट्स इट। ठीक है, ईजी है, इफ़ नो वरीज अबाउट इट, राइट। हे हाय शिवा, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। So, can you explain this return customer who did not place any order in 25, even if they place order in previous year? Okay, yeah, we can do it. We can, same question we have in the assignment, same kind of question we have in the assignment, we'll do it. If you can give me the data, have you sent the data? Let me check. Okay, you send me the data, we will take care of it. Okay, we have a query from Pratik. 2 queries are there from Pratik. Let me talk about it. I use AI to solve problem and then try to understand the solution. Okay, since I'm a fresher, haven't given any interview yet, is it right approach? Is it okay to learn this way, or should I avoid using AI while preparing? I would appreciate your advice. See, use of AI is necessary in today's scenario, but there's a process of it. Process क्या है? Suppose you get a question, ठीक है, you will solve the question first. Try to solve the question first. ठीक है, try. Let me write. Try to solve the question at first place. ठीक है, give it some time. Time मतलब doesn't matter. It goes to 1 hour, 2 hour, doesn't matter. 3-4 hours चलेगा. No worries about it. Give it a try. ठीक है. Until and unless you get zero response or zero output after giving this many tries or this many hours, then move to AI. ठीक है, then go and take care of the AI agents, right? ठीक है, then check the answers in AI. Whatever AI will give you answer, check it. ठीक है, after checking it, don't write it anywhere, close the tab, close the tab, wherever the answer is close the tab, and without seeing the answer, ठीक है, you have to find the output of this solution, ठीक है. But the step does not end here. Next day you have to try the same question. Next day you have to try the same question without seeing the answer. You have to find the output, then only it will be easy for your brain to know, or easy for you to know that you are okay with the logic, or you are okay with the formula, or you are okay with the query, right? ठीक है. So if you go in this approach, it is okay and good to go, no worries about it. Starting phase, it will take time, but give your 100%, right? Give your 100% effort. If you are not getting answer after giving 100% effort, then move to AI agent, right? Then after that, don't see, like, you check the answer, how you have to do, what is the approach that AI have used. Without seeing the answer, write the same answer or the query. If you have a better logic after seeing the answer and a new query you have in your mind, then okay, good to go. You write that query and find the answer, and in the next day you try the same question to find the output. Okay? If you go in this approach, it is beneficial for you even after using AI agents, right? So, and there is no issue in using AI. AI is there to help you out. Okay? So use it in a proper way, that's it. But take this as a guidance, that's it. Take this as a guidance. Do not use AI for, I mean to say, making your brain dull. Use it to be on the smarter side, that's it. That's what I'm trying to say. So Shiva, I have sent mail data set. Okay, let me check. We have order ID. Okay, I have received your mail. Customer ID, customer name, and all. Okay, just give me some time. Let me take care of this. So, can you give me the create table and insert into for this scenario? I can help you out in this, or I have to write the create table and insert into from the starting, right? I have to create two, this thing, I mean to say, two tables again. If you can give me the create table and insert into for customers and order, I can help you out in this. Just give me 5 minutes of break. Okay, Shiva, I sent mail data set. Okay, okay, wait, I sent. ठीक है, you sent once again. Okay, Pratik, thanks, bro, for your guidance. I really need it. I truly appreciate your support and advice. Thank you so much. Yeah, welcome. You're welcome. Welcome. Mm, let's see. Let me just take care of the create table and insert into mail. So Shiva, I am just refreshing the data set. If I get the mail, I will start with this. What was the actual question? Can you explain? Return customer who did not place any order even if they placed in previous year. Okay. So 2025 is the thing. ठीक है, it's okay. Even if they place orders in previous year. Return customer who did not place any order in 2025. Did not place any order in 2025. ठीक है. Did not place any order in 2025. Okay. Let me just refresh the mail and see if it is possible. Okay. Yeah, I have received it. चलो ठीक है. Let me just copy it, paste this thing, and let's check this customers, right? मैं customers का दूसरा नाम देता हूँ CX YouTube करके. ठीक. CX YouTube and orders का भी मैं नाम चेंज कर देता हूँ because I need to order YouTube. ठीक. Execute it. अच्छा already exist. Okay, let's drop this table. ठीक है, ड्रॉप टेबल डन. अब ठीक है. ठीक. This is the output and let's see. From ORD by T, this is the thing. चलो ठीक है. We have a query. Hi Dilip, welcome to live stream. how to prepare a resume for DA role at Google for apprentice program related to the resume and CV. Better to go and check out the websites who make free CV and resume, and that too. Why I'm saying to go with the website, because they will keep all your CV and resume ATS. Really, I mean to say, it will be having all the keywords that actual Google, Amazon, or any of the MNCs, they have their own ATS database. That's it. Okay, that is the reason I'm saying just go with any of the website. You get free website, and there you give your details related to CV, related to resume, related to your education, related to your projects and all. They will make it ATS friendly, and that's it. ठीक. Okay, we have a query. Where to find the website? Can you suggest? गूगल में ही मिल जाएगा, बट व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट वन आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ? एक है वेबसाइट, लेट मी शो यू. एक बार चेक करता हूँ. आई हैव रिटन दैट. अब मिलेगा तो एक बार चेक कर लेता हूँ. Let me check. I had that website, to be honest. मैंने भेजा था एक जन को, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. कहाँ गया यार? तो मिल नहीं रहा है, बट I'm not getting it. But whatever I know, it name start with better resume. बेटर रेज्यूमे एक बार चेक करना. betterresume.com या तो bettercv.com करके कुछ एक है. मैं आई एम नॉट remembering that perfect name, but it can be like better से start होता है. It is like better resume और better CV, ऐसा कुछ है. चेक वंस. ठीक है, एक बार चेक करो. इसमें से कुछ है. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द नेम, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. वंस आई गेट इट, आई विल give it to you. If you can write me a mail, I can send you that website name in that mail. ठीक है, बट वन थिंग आई नो, इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम बेटर. तो एक बार आप चेक करना ये बेटर रेज्यूमे है कि बेटर CV, ऐसा कुछ है नेम. आई एम नॉट रिमेंबरिंग इट. एक बार आप स्टार्ट, मतलब डू अ रिसर्च ऑन दैट. ठीक, एंड इफ आई गेट दैट नेम, आई विल सेंड यू in the mail. Just send me a mail after this. ठीक, and this is my mail ID. ठीक है. Okay, so right now I hope Shiva you are there in the stream. So Shiva you are there in the live stream, right? If you can write a yes or a no so that I can start with your question. ठीक है, otherwise if I start explaining then the solution might get missed. That's why. So if you can write yes, I am there. Okay, so first thing first, if you see, this is order table. ठीक है, order YT, right? What is the question? Let me just print the question here in this. कहाँ गया question? हाँ, can you explain? So this is the question that you have asked. Return customer did not. So they have not asked for customer ID or something, like they have not asked for customer name or something, right? ठीक है, but suppose they have asked for customer name, we will predict like they are asking for customer name. So first thing first, what we will do, if you check out both the table, if you do data exploration in both the table, you will see in the second table we have almost all the data, like order date, customer ID, order ID. Only one data is missing, that is customer name. and that customer name data is available in first table, like customer table. I have written customer YT, and order table I have written order YT. Okay, so just take care of it. So first thing first, we will join both the table, okay, with customer ID, so that we get the customer name as well. Sorry, select everything from order YT A. No, I will be doing left join support CHA. No, let's not do left join, let's do full join, because there is no null value, that's why. On A dot customer ID equal to B dot customer ID. First we will join it so that we get all the data from here. ठीक है, चलो let's write order YT here. एक मिनट, okay. So here what we can see is like David data is not available. ठीक है, so let us just arrange each and everything in a proper way, right? First what we need customer ID, so B dot customer ID is required, then B dot customer name is required. ठीक है, but let's take customer name only, let's not take customer ID, because is there any, wait, so there is no duplicates in customer name, that's why. So B dot customer name we will take, and we will take order date. Dot custom, no, here null value is there. Okay, let's take customer ID as well, but we will take customer ID from the A table, table A. ठीक है, because here null value is there. Earlier I was thinking to ignore it, but here null value is there and we need to take care of it as well. So customer ID and order date, so A dot order date. ठीक है, and let's execute it. Let's see what we get in the output. And that is the reason I am taking care of the customer ID here, because here null value is there, that's why. Okay, no, but it's looking very odd, but anyways. So right now what we will do is like we will extract the year from the order date. ठीक है, पहले year को हम लोग extract करेंगे order date से. What we can do with it? Extract year from order date. Why we are extracting it? Because we are having work with the year only. ठीक है, क्योंकि अपने पास year से ही काम है, नहीं तो नहीं. We need to take care of the order year, to be very frank, and that's it. So I will be removing the order date part and just taking care of this. So right now if you see, the data that we are seeing here is very much in a perfect way, right? Customer ID, year, and everything is there. ठीक, simple. Right now we can say in this कि like where extract dot year not equal to 2025. That is what you have asked. Do not place any order in 2025. So if you see in this, okay, wait, let me check once. Do not place any order in 2025. Okay, got this. So if I write where year not in 2025, then this will also come in picture, right? Okay, not in 2025. ठीक है. I will say where I will use where not exist, or I can use CT also, no worries about it. Wait, can you explain return customer who did not place any order in 2025? Do not place any order in 2025. So if I say in this, Alice have placed an order, Charlie have placed an order, and Frank has placed an order. Okay. Okay. Let me take care of this. Question is return customer. This. Okay. Let's do this where customer ID equal to this and I will say extract year not in 2025. Let's see this. Frank, Charlie, no. No. Here we cannot do it. Not in 2025. तो यहाँ पे कौन आ गया? We have Bob to be taken care of. Emma here. Frank. No. Let's use for this thing. Full join equal to this. 1 minute. Let's do this. Full join equal to this. Or what if I do full join? Let us join equal to this. We can use where exist, where not exist also we can use in this. Okay, let's do take care of this thing. Wait, we'll say where not exist. I will use this where not exists, and we'll give this thing select everything from wait, I think I should write from this customer YTA. Okay, let's write this customer YTA, and I need all the data from this. Select everything from order YT B where A dot customer ID is equal to B dot customer ID and extract year from order date equal to 2025. Let's do this. Okay, so this is what we have got the output, right? Hmm. Like Bob, Emma, and David. If I check this thing here, what we have second, no, 5 is there. 5 won't be the thing in this. Okay. 2, 3, and 5. So let's see customer ID 2, 3, and 5. Bob, Charlie, and Emma. Right. बट वाई चार अच्छा चार्ली का तो वो नाम ही नहीं बॉब चार्ली एंड एमा वेट वाई दिस इज नॉट शोइंग चार्ली आउटपुट इज नॉट शोइंग बट वाई चार्ली का 3 है अच्छा चार्ली हैव ऑर्डर इन 2025 दैट्स वाई तो सेकेंड ऑर्डर आईडी सिक्स्थ ऑर्डर आईडी एंड द फोर्थ वन बिकॉज फोर्थ वन इज नल अच्छा इसीलिए डेविड ओके 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 ठीक है सो दिस इज वेयर वी गॉट द आउटपुट राइट दिस क्वेश्चन इज फॉर फ्रेश और एक्सपीरियंस फ्रेशर ही है इट इज़ फॉर द फ्रेशर वन राइट मे बी आई वुड से बेसिक से थोड़ा ऊपर बट फ्रेशर लेवल ठीक है आई टेक हेल्प ए आई दिस इज select everything from this from this where not exist this is where what we have done where not exist select one from one से better है you can use star it would be better select one में फिर confusion होगा what is happening and what you have done customer id c अच्छा o dot customer id equal to c dot customer id o is order and c is customer अच्छा ठीक है ठीक करेक्ट and here o dot order date acha you are not using post gre sql I am using post gre sql so I have given this ha chalega this is the scenario you can do it right you can take care of this no worries and let us see any other solution from this order yt let's see if I have one more solution for it I would say select everything from this where I would say extract year from order date not equal to 25 what I can do is like select customer id group by customer id let's see if we can get this 1 2 and 5 here what we are getting 2 4 and 5 wait 1 2 and 5 okay वन तो नहीं आना चाहिए why it is coming I don't know one. Okay so not exist is okay you can use it easily AI showing this it's okay अच्छा AI is showing this thing क्या ठीक है चलेगा no worries हाँ but take care of this if you are using post gre sql then take care of this thing if you are using mysql or anything then it is okay and good to go ठीक है no worries about it ठीक no worries about that और वी कैन डू वन मोर थिंग रिलेटेड टू जॉइंट्स. ठीक है, एक बार मैं जॉइंट्स करके देखता हूँ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट इज़ नॉट वर्किंग. वी कैन यूज़ अ अदर वे एज वेल. ठीक है, लेट्स यूज दिस फ्रॉम कस्टमर वाई. ठीक है, लेट्स यूज जॉइन. लेट्स नॉट यूज दिस एग्जिस्ट वाला पार्ट. ठीक है, लेट्स यूज जॉइन. आई विल से लेफ्ट जॉइन order yt b on a dot customer id equal to b dot customer id. ठीक है, let's see what we get. ठीक, this is the data that we get. ठीक है, we can do one thing more easily in this scenario. We can say we can use and extract year from order date equal to 2025 where order id is null. Suppose if we do this, do we get the data? 245 वही आ रहा है. 245 is the answer क्या? हाँ, 245 is the answer. ठीक है, we have got the solution. That's it. Okay. Hey, hi, welcome to live stream. Are you practicing SQL? Yeah, just I'm clearing the SQL doubts. That's why. I can think join and group by and is null. Where can apply we? See, this is where we can do, but we have to use left join. ठीक है. In left join, why we are using this? Because in left join we are having this null value for the customer ID, like customer ID 4. ठीक है. So what we have done, we have just joined it and we have told कि wherever there is 2025, ठीक है, get the output. That's it. That's the thing. ठीक है, you can use anything. You can use not in also. Not in भी चलेगा. If you want to use not in, then also it is okay. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम लोग वी आर यूजिंग नॉट एग्जिस्ट ना. नॉट इन भी चलेगा, यू कैन यूज इट. ठीक है, राइट. नॉट इन भी आप कर सकते हो इजीली. Okay, why every time we use left join for sorting null values? No, we don't use every time left join. The thing is, I will show you one thing with the right join also. ठीक है, check this. You can use right join as well. 245 you will get this. Left join and right join depend on the table. ठीक है, after from whatever table name you will write, by default it comes to the left table, and after the join, after any join you write, after the join whatever table name you write comes to the right table by default. ठीक है, so it is not like कि we use left join or right join. You can use any join. See, by right join also we have found the output. ठीक है, that's it. So what is actually going on? Let me show you with this in a proper way. Without the null I am saying. Okay, let me show you what is actually going on. So I will say uh, what I have written. Okay, let me just. Okay. What we have actually done is like wherever there is 2025, this join, what it has done is like it has found the output. What we have done here, see, wherever there is 20, okay, we have tell me which situation we want to use join. Like example, you are telling like left for right, A for right, for C. The thing is, first you have to check out like what data is there in this column, I mean in this table, customer table, and what data is there in the order table. Okay, if you do a data exploration here, you will see in customer table we have David, right? And in customer, and in sorry, order table, what we have, David data is not there. How to find this out? You will directly, you can do it by using full join. Once you do full join, you will get to know what data is not available in either of the two table. We can say कि David data, see the first two column are from what table, customer table, ठीक है, and the other three column are from order table, right, are from order table. So in this thing we can say कि customer table is having David data, right, but the next table, that is the order table, is not having the data related to David. That's why it is null. ठीक है, that is the reason what I have told is like we need the customer detail as per the question. ठीक है, you have asked the question related to the customer who have placed order, who have not placed order in 2025. ठीक है, here we have take this out, like join both the table to find out if there is any null or not. We have find out कि David is having null value, but anyways we need all the customers. All the customers मतलब what? We should give the customer table as the first priority. So whatever, and I've told you in the starting, whatever table name you write after from comes in left side, whatever table name you write after join comes on right side. Now comes for the priority part. ठीक है, if you want all the data from left table, use left join. If you want all the data from the right table, use right join. ठीक है, if you use left join here, what will happen? See, left join will be given first priority, 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक है, left join will be given first priority. If you write right join will be given first priority, and with according to that left table will get aligned. ठीक है, right now I have done right join, and you know in right table what we have, order table. ठीक है, order table, do we have David name or David ID? No, right? See this, if you check this out, in the right join of this, David name is not available. ठीक है, David name is not available. Why? Because right table is given first priority. ठीक, right table is dominant here. Whatever join name you will write, that join will be dominant. ठीक है, and according to that we will get the output. ठीक, but here what you have told, you need all the details related to customer. Customer detail is in what? Customer table, and customer table name is written after from, so it is in what side? Left side. That's why I have told left join this, execute. ठीक है, I need all the data where 2025 is not there. Okay. For that I will see what data is there actually in 2025. This data are there in 2025. This data. Okay. Simple. Sorry. 1, 3 and 6 data is there in 2025. So other data which is showing null is not having 2025 ka order date. So that's why I can say here where I would say order ID is null, right? That's it. Okay. Suppose if we use full join, for some reason we use full join, let's see what we get here. Full join, what will happen, you will get all the data related to the table. Okay, all the data related to the table. ठीक. In this if you see, I have told कि 2025 में जो data है that should be there in the output. So all the data with 2025 and 4 is there, plus we have done full join, that means all the data will be there. So 2, 4 and 5 are those customer name which is having no orders in 2025. So null values are there. Simply you can use full join also and say where order ID is null. You can find out the answer with full join also. ठीक है. Left join, right join, full join, you can use anything. ठीक है. Can you explain again left and right join? Okay. See, there are two table, right? Table A and table B. Here we have some data. Okay. So if you write anything in the query, suppose how do you write a query? You write select everything from, you will write a table name, then you write join, then you write a table name, right? You write like this. Okay. So whatever table name you will write after from, by default comes in left table, right? By default comes in left table. Okay. By default whatever table name you write, whatever doesn't matter, you write B or you write A, it will come on left table. Similarly, whatever table name you write after join, by default comes on what? Right table. ठीक है. So in this, if you say कि I need this kind of data, select everything from A, left join B. ठीक है. What will happen, you know, all the data from A will be there in the output. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What SQL does, they see कि अच्छा left join मतलब this table, all the data will be there in the output. ठीक है. After this what SQL will do, you have told from A left join B on A dot ID equal to B dot ID. Suppose these are the IDs. So with taking this as a dominant part, SQL will match up everything. So 1, is it matching here? No. Null. It will show null because in table B it is not matching. Then SQL will take 2 because this is dominant. 2, is it matching there? Yes, it is matching. So 2 will be here. Then SQL will take 3. Is 3 is matching? Yes, 3. SQL will take 4. Is 4 matching? No, null. So this is what we get in the output. ठीक है. we won't get 6 here. Why we won't get 6? Because we have used left join, and left join is what? Table A. Okay. So whatever join name you write here, SQL give dominance to that table. I mean data in that table. Dominance matlab whatever details we will get further, it will be depending on the data that will be available on the dominant table. That's it. Here dominant join is what? Left join. Left join means what? Left table dominance will be there. So 1 2 3 4 will be kept on the first place. Then whatever detail will be kept here will be with respect to this details. Okay. That's why right now you see we have not received the 6 data here. Why we have not received? Because 6, because see, table B is not dominant. Okay. And 6 is not available on table A, so we won't be getting it, right? That's the only scenario for left join. Same thing goes for the right join. Okay. Let's talk about this. Suppose I say select everything from A. I will say right join B on A dot ID. These are the IDs. ठीक है, equal to B dot ID. ठीक. What will happen right now? We have told right join, and in right we have what table? B. Because after join whatever table name you write is by default on the right side. ठीक. So SQL will take all this data as the dominance data. ठीक है. So 2 3 6 will be there. After this SQL will see all the data from the right table and it will join with table A. If it is there, you will get in the output. If not, then null. So it will see is 2 there in the table A. Yes, it is there. Then it goes to the second thing, that is 3. Is 3 there on table A? Yes, it is there. Then it will go to the third row, that is 6. Is 6 there here? No. So null. So this table is this and this is A. Okay. This is how things work. Okay. Full join, what will happen? Each and everything will be there in the output. Okay. You will get everything here in full join. You can get the answer in any of the format, right? You can do left join, right join, full join, no worries about it. I hope you got it related to this. I will be taking care of the left join because left side is dominant. That's why. And then you should know the order of execution, like from is the first thing, then join, then where, like this. Can make video on this topic because this topic is more confusing. I have already made videos on this. You can check this out. Where is it? you take this thing, you will get in the output. ठीक है. Sorry, wait a minute. This is the thing, and let me give you the English part as well. ठीक है. For Hindi and English both are there. You can go and search this. I have already made video in my SQL this SQL course. You can go and check that out. ठीक है. So I hope we are clear with the doubts and all. So in case if you have any more doubts, please do ask your doubts in the stream. It's 10:20. So okay. So okay, then let's close the live stream right here, because we are done with the work. And if you have any doubts, you can just ask your doubts in the stream, or I have my mail ID. You can just mail me your doubts for this. ठीक है. Thank you. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, welcome. So let's take care of this thing. So thank you everyone for joining my live stream, and good night everyone. Thank you for asking your doubts. So let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying.